Welcome back to Kenny's. Today we're working on 2008 BMW X3. This vehicle have oil leak, check engine light for the lean code PO 171 174. So this BMW is common, this engine. If you have any oil leak or vacuum leak, which check engine light come on, start skipping. First of all, disconnect this cover. So I already disconnect the bolts here. Got 3 screws here, 5mm Allen. Okay, we're gonna move this out. This is out. I already disconnected. And right now we're gonna disconnect this. Okay, I already smoked this, but you can see that is leaking. When you have leaking around the valve cover gasket, you have check engine light, that's just your problem. The car have no power. And also I see this valve cover gasket is cracked here, so we're gonna replace the valve cover gasket and the gasket, and then you replace that seal for the camshaft motors I did. And if you do this job on BMW's 6-cylinder, after this you're gonna have a lot of power and you're gonna save a lot of gas, money, and kill all the oil leak. It's so important for BMW, the engine not leaking. If you're leaking oil, well, check engine light come up. Is not like any other vehicle. So because it's all about vacuum leak. Just keep watching. Don't forget subscribe, like, and leave a comment down below if you have any question. Okay, so this is the old valve cover out. So usually I change the gasket, but this is a crack right here, and I got a new valve cover. Like you see, the new valve cover, it's not that much money, it's complete, come with the bolt, gasket, everything. So this job will make this car run 100% better. So we're gonna throw this valve cover, get a new one, come with the bolt, come with the new gasket, come with the camshaft. See this seal? All the bolts. It's even this. Great. Actually, BMW is so popular for this. Make sure have no oil leak. Make sure there's no vacuum leak. If you have vacuum leak or oil leak, this vehicle will skip in, check engine light come on, and right here we're just gonna get this out of the way. It's done. The old one, it's like this here. You see that spot? You clean it up really good. Make sure that it doesn't go inside the engine, and make sure you do not drop anything here. So you make a lot of room for yourself. That's how you do it. And I'm sure if you look at this job, it's a little bit, it's not easy, but you can do it. You know, you can do it step by step, patient, and get it done. This is, make sure when this come out, it's gonna come out. If you want to do a spark plug, and you just see, put it back. This engine not bad, it's clean. I recommend after valve cover gasket or valve cover, if you change the oil, it's better, because I'm sure you're gonna drop some dirt inside while you're working. Please subscribe my channel and watch this video to the end. Like you see the new valve cover in there. So this one come with a bolt too. So just what you do, just put all the bolt by hand all the way down, and you tighten it. You got torque it, and usually, you know, torque it, but I know I've been doing this too long. I'm gonna hand tighten it myself. Is it like a just give it power like a 10mm screw. So, but you have to do 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So just do cross. Like you see, this is, you just make room for yourself. Take this bar out, move that cover here, 3 bolts for the air cover, for a cabin air filter. This cabin air filter, 4 bolts. Check it out. You're gonna have a lot of rooms, you know. You can do it if you have patience. I mean, this is not an easy job. It's a big job, but you can do it. BMW, all the BMW 6-cylinder, they have same issue. Valve cover gasket leaking. Okay, so the new valve cover in. Like you see, those all the bolts. Don't forget this 3 bolt. 1, 2, 3. And we got this hose in the back. This hose, when you take it out, just squeeze it here. Okay. When you go in, just push it, click. Let it click. You see the click? That's it. Okay. And one more thing. This, the fuel injector harness, you're gonna take it out one piece. So when you remove it, remove those clips by a little screwdriver. Okay. So you're gonna put it back. You just put it back like this. Okay. Yeah. So I'm doing it with one hand, but I think I can do it. See this? The clips. When you put it back, just with this, see? Click on. It's so easy. When you take it out, just with a screwdriver, when you put it back, it's just gonna be clicking. So we're gonna go on. So when you put the fuel injector harness, so you gotta go like this, straight, all of them. It's gonna click, see? Click. Make sure it's not moving out. This is done. So it's step by step. So after this, we're gonna put this motors and the harness, everybody going, ignition coil go there. This is the ground for the computer, so we're gonna go right here, 2 of them, 1 and 2. So this vehicle almost done. So this is the camshaft motor is going on. Got 3 screws. Okay, this is 3 bolts for the motors. So you put this one first, then you tie those 2, then you tie the last one. All right, this valve cover job is all set. You just start the vehicle. See this, all the oil burning from the old one? This is gonna need the oil change. I'm just gonna shut it off, do the oil change. And that ignition coil, the plug, you gotta push it all the way, all the BMW, the harness, then you click this. So now we're gonna change the oil. This vehicle is all set. X3 valve cover gasket, or valve cover job. I changed the valve cover, and this vehicle will drive better after the oil change. Please subscribe. I can help you guys to save you money. Thank you for watching. So after you do the valve cover job, if you replace the valve cover gasket or valve cover anytime, you should do the oil change after. So this vehicle, we changed the oil now. It's so smooth, look. It's not even shaking anymore.